SSD upgrade, and RAM upgrade on Acer Travelmate P249-G3 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Gwyneth, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading your laptop with an SSD and additional RAM is one of the most practical and impactful choices you can make to significantly enhance its performance and overall user experience. Replacing a traditional hard drive with a solid-state drive SSD can dramatically improve your laptop's speed, reducing boot times, enabling faster application loading, and ensuring smoother operation during everyday tasks. Adding more RAM, on the other hand, empowers your laptop to handle multiple applications and memory-intensive tasks simultaneously, improving multitasking efficiency and system responsiveness. These upgrades not only extend the lifespan of your device, but also offer a cost-effective solution to keeping your laptop up to date and capable of meeting modern computing demands, eliminating the need for an expensive new device purchase. SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.